Cisco Finesse Webphone solution allows agents to access Finesse web page from the public internet, make and receive calls securely from their web browser. But you also don't want to directly expose your Cisco Finesse server and the login page to the public internet. That wouldn't be very secure. So how can we avoid that? Instead of displaying Cisco Finesse page directly, Comstice has a two-step process. There's a public page that agent can request a temporary Finesse login link. This link is valid for 10 hours and it can only be used by a single user. If the agent's email is known to the system, your email service will send the temporary link to the agent. When the agent clicks on this link, Comstice reverse proxy will verify the link and allow access to the Finesse page. Comstice reverse proxy will also whitelist the public IP address of the remote agent, so that the same link cannot be used by multiple users. All the Finesse communications and the Webphone signaling are HTTPS-based, so they are all encrypted. Audio stream is secure RTP, so that's encrypted as well. Check out the other videos in our channel about Cisco Finesse Webphone and send your questions in the comment below. Also, visit comstice.com for more information and request a callback.